and thanks for watching Redecorating Your Space with Jen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove your backsplash. So as you can see here, our kitchen had this old tile backsplash that I never really cared for. It's kind of a brown color, it's just not my favorite. So I'm going to show you how to take that off. So the tools we have today are a thin metal paint scraper. We have a crowbar, we have a chisel, a hammer, a drop cloth. You don't need all of these things. If you have any of these laying around your house, it'll make getting that backsplash off a lot easier. I actually prefer to use the paint scraper. I find that the easiest to work with. You can hammer right on the back of it here, especially in the corner to get it started. It'll get the glue away from the wall and get those tiles right off. So you can hammer right in like this and get that tile off. The first one is always the hardest. The middle ones get much easier to remove. I'm going to show you how to do it if you have a crowbar handy. Just hammer it right in and you pull the tile right off the walls. Now something else you're going to want to have for after the project is a sander. Some sort of sandpaper or sanding block. That way, if you do have any like tears or like some weirdness from removing the tiles, it'll smooth it right out. And I'll show you at the end what we did. We actually just threw a coat of paint right under it to kind of make it more smooth, so that way I can apply my new backsplash. And those come right off. So there's my sanding block. I just give it a quick sand and there you go. And then we keep going. So whatever you have handy that you want to use, just using my paint scraper here, just hammer it right in, pop those tiles off. Okay, as you can see, we've sanded and we've painted where the backsplash was just to make it flat. You can check out our other video where we show you how to put on new backsplash. We actually put on smart tiles and it was amazing. So be sure to check that out. Thanks again for watching our video. Let me know in the comments how your project went. And we hope you have a wonderful day. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks. Bye-bye.